Hey guys, Darren with Jeep TJ. I want to show you something that I found. We're rebuilding a Harley's NSG 370 and a 06 Rubicon. High 50,000 miles, so definitely low miles vehicle. When we took this is the input shaft out of the Jeep. This is the pilot bearing. It's smoked. It's so much gone. It wore probably a 10 thousandths groove, if not more, into this shaft right here. Now, that's not why we're replacing that shaft. I'll go into that when we explain the transmission build, but we got heat spots. I don't know if you can see them. Let me get out of there. Focus there. Focus, please. See that dark blue? This sucker got warm. Here's another thing that's gone. So, right, let me see if you can imagine something like that. This bearing pushes on the clutch. Like so. Here's the new one. So this bearing was totally gone. I've already replaced it. Let me show you the one was bad. Here, check it out. That sounds good, doesn't it? It wore a groove. Sorry about that. Wore a groove in the face of this to where it didn't want to roll or whatever. So I think this being down in water is what caused both of these bearings to go in his. Now, I'm not telling you to not do that. I'm just saying what we found and pass it along. That's what we do. See ya.